How to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes and App Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix this issue. Let's start the video without wasting any time. First, click on Review in the pop-up menu. Now, a new page will appear on your screen. Here, select your country, accept terms and condition and click on continue. Here, you have to enter your billing address, so make sure none is selected. After that, type your first name and last name, then type your address. And then type your city name. Type your postal code and then type your area code or retype your postal code. Then enter your phone number and click on continue. So guys, your Apple ID has been reviewed and you can now use it. Click continue. After clicking continue, you will have to enter your Apple ID password once again and any apps you are installing will start installing. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.